Do you lie awake at night wondering what if? Well, if you do, don't worry, you're not alone. Lots of women over 40 do this. And I am a certified spiritual life coach. I've helped hundreds of women 40 and over to get over their fear of the future, return to the present where they find peace. And in this video, I'd like to help you do the same thing. So let's get started. And fear of the future often starts with two words: what if? And the reason why this happens is because your mind is trying to protect you, but it's actually just making things worse, making you fearful, and even causing you to lose energy. Peace cannot be found in the future, can't be found in the past. It can only be found in the present moment. So the question to ask instead of what if is what is? What's going on now? And when you discover this, then you realize that fear is just a signal for you're living in the future. And it's a signal that you should come back to the present, to what is. And I'd like to walk you through a short process to help you get more in touch with what is. But before I do that, can you just write down in the comments, add to the comments, what do you have been what-ifing on? Maybe it's something about you personally, your health or your job, or maybe something about your partner or your children or grandchildren, maybe something that's going on in your country or even in the world at large. So just write that down, whatever you've been what-ifing about. I'm going to use that in a few minutes. And if you like where I'm going with this, then I think you'll love the free mini audio course I've created, Calm in the Moment Kit. It has some simple tools to help you get out of the fear of the future and into the present. It has a 3-minute meditation that you can use early in the morning to set yourself up for a peaceful day. And you can also use it at night to set yourself up for a peaceful night without any what-ifing, just peaceful sleep. It also has a 1-minute reset that you can use all throughout the day, so that if you find that you're creeping into the future and that fear of the future, it'll help bring you back to the present. And then there are also 15 journal prompts that can help you when you have some time to sit down and reflect. Just realize what you might be what-ifing about, and then it'll help you to come back to the future, to find your peace, your calmness in the present moment. If you'd like access to that, then just comment calm below the video here, and I'd be glad to send you the link. So this is going to be a closed eye meditation. So please don't do it if you're driving or operating machinery or even cooking. Wait until later to do it. But if you can, if you're settled right now, we'll start. And we're also going to be doing nose breathing. It's the type of breathing that will help you to be the most calm. So if you can be settled now, then just take a look at a point above you. Breathe in, close your eyes, and as you exhale, visualize the number 3 times. You should be able to feel that your body's relaxing. You can release any tension in your shoulders or in your neck, your forehead, your jaws, and just feel a wave of relaxation going from the top of your head down to the soles of your feet. And then, with eyes closed, breathe in again. And as you exhale, visualize the number 2 times. Now you should be sensing that your mind is becoming calm. The thoughts are slowing down or even stopping altogether. And then one last time, breathe in. And as you exhale, visualize the number 1 times. And now you should be able to get a sense of that peace within you, that calm. And that comes with just looking about at You're thinking about what is. This is your true self, this peaceful self that you find in the present moment, not in the fear of the future or agonizing about the past, but just being present. This is what's going to help you to be present, to be peaceful. And take a few more deep breaths. And just think of that thing that you've been what-ifing about. And think about how it makes you feel. Really get in touch with that feeling. And then I'd like you to imagine having a lilac-colored balloon or a bubble come right in front of you. And lilac, the color of flowers. It's the color of the blouse I'm wearing. And just imagine a door opening up to the balloon or the bubble. And imagine placing the thought and placing the feeling into the bubble or the balloon. And then see the door close. Lilac is the color of release. It's a quantum color. It's not just something you see with your eyes. It actually holds the frequency of release. So just by putting the thought and the feeling into either the bubble or the balloon, you're already releasing it. And then you can see it just floating off into the distance. Either God or the universe or spirit, however you look at that great power, will take care of it. You're free of it now. And it's possible that it might return in the future. You can do the same process. You might use the video a couple of times, but after that, you'll be able to do it just on your own. And lilac is the color, the quantum color for release. So you could have it in your clothing. You could have it in your decor, and any of your gear, your sport gear, or your phone case, or your coffee cup, anything like that. And every time you see that color lilac, you'll think of releasing whatever your mind may be causing you to trip into the future for. So we're going to end the meditation now. And we'll do that by just rubbing your hands together, putting your warm hands over your eyes, opening up your eyes into your hands, then taking your hands away slowly. That's just a way to get grounded. You can look around wherever you are. To get further grounded, take a sip of water if you have that nearby. If you're feeling more peaceful now, please like this video. It'll let me know what's helping you, and it will let other women who are looking for peace to know that this is something that they should watch. If you're interested in the Calm in the Moment kit, just comment calm right below the video here. And if you're interested in going even deeper with letting go, I've created another video, Let It Go, and you can access that right here.